Indigo surges as crude slips to $76 per barrel. Domestic air traffic too picks up with volumes almost hitting pre-COVID levels of 4 lakh flyers a day in December.
And Vartak Vabag gets an order of around 260 crore rupees from Romania. The stock is up a good 8.5%.
Poonawalla FinCorp says its board will meet on the 14th of December to mull a fundraise or even a stake sale in Poonawalla Housing Finance. The stock higher.
ISMT enters an agreement to sell its 40 megawatt captive power plant. PSP Projects wins a 122 crore rupee order to construct residential towers, while JP Associates board will meet later today to discuss their divestment plans. All these three stocks are reacting positively.
And it's a subdued listing for automotive construction and agri-machinery parts manufacturer Uniparts. The issue had been subscribed by over 25 times, but the stock lists with a discount of about 2% to its issue price.
Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Naishal D'Souza and joining me is Mangalam Malu, who's come back after a good holiday. Well, Mangalam, hope it was a cracker. Middle East, I thought you were going to go ahead and, you'll see the World Cup, but you're back before the semi-finals.
Yeah, before the semi-finals, because I don't enjoy football as much, but I did catch some of the matches out there. They were pretty good, the environment, etc. And I just think two things happened, and I may not take credit for that. One, I went to the Middle East, oil prices are down $76 per barrel. And Wednesday is when the market started to fall, and I'm back, and hopefully it has recovered from the lows, almost 157 points. And, it was getting oversold or easy to short the market over the last few trading sessions. And now it seems like maybe there has been a recovery and that dip has been bought into.
Well, that's right, Mangalam. And the call earlier today was 18,350. Yeah. That should be a bit of a support zone. The low of today is 18,345. And from there, we've seen a bit of a bounce. So that trade has worked out, buy the intraday low and hope for a bit of a bounce. The 18,400 put did see a fair bit of writing in Friday's trading session. So that gave us the cue that 50-point premium, well, you deducted from around that 18,400. And that's why you saw a bit of a bounce from there. But let's get straight to an exclusive then on the windfall taxation. With crude prices falling to around $76 a barrel, sources are telling CNBC-TV18 that the government may again lower windfall taxes at its next review meeting. Sapna has been on top of that story. She joins in to fill us in with more on that. Sapna.
Hi, Nigel. This is likely to be on expected lines. If you just compare the 2-week average, and that's what is taken into account for calculation of windfall taxes, including export there also cracks. So overall, the journey is southwards very clearly. So there's an expectation that this time, and the review happens every 2 weeks, around 15th of December, you may see a further taking downwards in the diesel export duties and across your crude petroleum. So this is what the scenario is, but we should also keep it.
All right, we take that point, Sapna. Thank you so much for joining in. We've got you on a scratchy line, but we get that point that there could be a revision in windfall tax, and as a result of which we are seeing some bit of a rally in a lot of these stocks. In fact, Reliance has moved to the high point of trade, and that is the one which is actually supporting the Nifty recovery. And apart from that, we have seen a big move in all the other oil and gas stocks as well. Let's move on and let's get in Shivangi Sarda for a quick technical check on the market. Shivangi, it has been a strong recovery from the lows, but we're still